Good afternoon, students. Welcome in HCP practical. Today's I will start the experiment number 29. Okay, and title of this experiment is to understand the role of pharmacist in first aid treatment. Okay, जर फर्स्ट एड ट्रीटमेंटमध्ये फार्मासिस्टचा काय रोल आहे ते आपण या एक्सपेरिमेंटमध्ये बघणार आहे. तर प्युअर कन्सेप्ट काय आहे, तर फर्स्ट एड इज डिफाइन्ड ॲज द immediate treatment given to the accident victim or sudden illness, then quickly and correctly before medical help is made available. Then it is treatment given to an accident victim immediately and correctly without waiting for the doctor. तर जो ॲक्सिडेंट झालेला पेशंट आहे त्याला इमिजिएट ट्रीटमेंट देणे हे फार्मासिस्टचा रोल आहे, किंवा ॲक्सिडेंट व्हिक्टम आहे किंवा सडन इलनेस जो पेशंट आहे त्याला इमिजिएट ट्रीटमेंट देणे हे फार्मासिस्टचा रोल आहे, किंवा करेक्टली मेडिकल हेल्प झाली पाहिजे त्याला. त्याच्यानंतर त्याला जो ॲक्सिडेंट व्हिक्टम आहे त्याला करेक्टली विदाउट वेटिंग, डॉक्टरचा वेट न करता ट्रीटमेंट घेणं, किंवा ॲक्सिडेंट झाला असेल तर त्याचं ब्लिडिंग जास्त होत असेल तर डॉक्टरांचा वेट न करता त्याचं ड्रेसिंग वगैरे केलं पाहिजे. हा रोल फार्मासिस्टचा आहे. देन सेकंड, ॲक्सिडेंट. वेन एनिथिंग हॅपन्स अनएक्सपेक्टली इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज ॲन ॲक्सिडेंट. जे आपल्याला माहीत नसताना जे होतो त्याला काय म्हणायचं, ॲक्सिडेंट. देन फर्स्ट एड किट अँड व्हिक्टम. Okay, these are the prior concept. Then new concept, basic principle of first aid, characteristics of the good first aiders and role of pharmacist emergency situation. Okay, तर आपल्याला काय बघायचं आहे, तर बेसिक प्रिन्सिपल फर्स्ट एडचा, त्याच्यानंतर गुड फर्स्ट एडर कॅरेक्टर्स आणि रोल ऑफ फार्मासिस्ट इन एमर्जन्सी सिच्युएशन. नाव सी द लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. Intellectual skill and motor skill. What is the intellectual skill? To understand the role of pharmacist and basic principle in the first aid treatment. Then second is to provide the first aid treatment for the particular situation or illness. Then motor skill. First is to ability to observe the understand the emergency situation. Then ability to give conditions to the victim and the relatives. Then ability to prevent the further injury and worsening of the situation. Then last is the ability to manage the expert medical care at earliest and transport the victim in the proper way. Okay, these are the motor skill of this experiment. Then now see the stepwise procedure. In that, first see the basic principle of first aid to be kept in the mind every time. Now first is the reach to the site without waiting time with first aid kit and other persons ready to help you. Then second, top priority should be given to those who are having weak or no respiration and those who are suffering from bleeding. Okay, तर फर्स्ट तुम्ही काय करणार, तर तुम्हाला हेल्पसाठी लागणारे जे फर्स्ट एड असेल किंवा अदर पर्सनची हेल्प असेल तुम्हाला, तर ते रेडी ठेवायचं. त्याच्यानंतर तुमची फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी काय आहे, तर जर एखादा पेशंट जास्त वीक असेल किंवा त्याचं रेस्पायरेशन कमी असेल किंवा होत नसेल तर त्याला ते किंवा तो जास्त ब्लिडिंग होत असेल त्याचं, तर त्याला योग्य ती ट्रीटमेंट देणे योग्य त्या वेळी आवश्यक आहे. देन नेक्स्ट इज द सेंड समवन टू गेट द एक्सपर्ट medical servers and arrange for the fastest transport facility to ship the victim to nearest medical center. Okay, inform the police in the serious situation. Then do not change the position or ship the victim unless it is must in case of fractures. Okay, then loosen to collars, belt, button, etc. for the shirts and trousers so that the circulation is not obstructed. Let fresh air flow to the victim without obstructing the flow of fresh air to maintain the respiration. Okay, तर ज्यांना कोणाला जवळ मेडिकल सेंटर असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये त्यांना लगेच शिफ्ट केलं पाहिजे जो ॲक्सिडेंट विक्टिम आहे त्याला. त्याच्यानंतर फास्ट, ते पण क्विक प्रोसिजर झाली पाहिजे. तर त्याच्यानंतर पोलीस, सिरियस सिच्युएशन असेल तर तिथे पोलिसांना इन्फॉर्म करणं इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. देन जी पोझिशन आहे किंवा शिफ्ट करताना जी पेशंटची पोझिशन असेल ती चेंज करायची नाही, बिकॉज ते फ्रॅक्चर होऊ शकतं. देन लूज द कॉलर्स बेल्ट बटन. जर त्या पेशंटचे कॉलर बटन असेल ते लूज करायचं, जेणेकरून त्याला योग्य ती म्हणजे रेस्पायरेशनसाठी श्वास घेण्यासाठी जरा फ्रेश मोकळी हवा जाण्यासाठी. ओके. देन इफ द इंजर्ड हॅज लॉस्ट लार्ज अमाऊंट ऑफ ब्लड, देन ट्राय टू प्रेशर्ड द पीपल अराउंड टू गो अलॉंग टू द हॉस्पिटल अँड डोनेट ब्लड इफ नीडेड. जर त्या पेशंटचे जास्त प्रमाणात ब्लड गेलं असेल शरीरामधून, तर त्या म्हणजे आसपास जे माणसं असतील त्यांच्याकडून हॉस्पिटलमध्ये जाऊन जर त्यांना गरज असेल तर ब्लड देणे किंवा डोनेट करणे. ओके. देन इन द फर्स्ट एड किट कीप फोन नंबर अँड ॲड्रेस. In the first aid kit, keep phone numbers and address of the hospital, doctors, police and fire station. So that is can be used in the emergency. Then observe careful for any other symptoms. Then try to gather information from the injured person regarding his name with detailed address and phones. Check the breathing for whether is slow, test or absent. Then if patient is unable to breathe, then artificial respiration should be carried out till the arrival of the medical aid. Then severity of the bleeding can be checked as per the color of the tongue. Okay. Then check for the bleeding from mouth, ear and nose. Then note the case, degree and site of the burn in case of burns. Then last is the observe the signs symptoms carefully in suspected cases of the poisoning. Then basic aim of the giving first aid. First is the saving life. What is the basic aim of giving first aid? First is saving life. Second, prevent further injury and worsening of the situation. Third, giving comfort in agony by specific measures and encouraging words. Then fourth is the managing expert medical center at earliest and transporting the victim in the proper way. Then the first aid and emergency treatment of the some common conditions are as follows. Then first is the heart disease. Okay. In that heart disease, immediate attention is required to avoid the fatality. In that first is the heart attack or acute myocardial infarction. In that see the first the chest pain of heart attack is central just behind the breastbone. Then the pain is more of having of pressure like sensation which is accompanied by severe perspiration and uneasiness. Okay. The pain may be radiate to jaws, upper limbs or back. Then chest pain of heart attack lasts for more than half of hour. Okay. The pain may be radiate to jaws, upper lobes, limbs and backs. Chest pain of heart attack lasts for more than half of the hour. First aid treatment. Then first aid treatment. First is the patient should be shifted to the hospital immediately. Give complete bed rest. Then give a sublingual tablets for sorbitrate, which dilates the coronary vessels and relieves the pain. फर्स्टली काय करायचं, पेशंटला शिफ्ट करायचं हॉस्पिटलमध्ये इमिजिएटली. त्याला कम्प्लिटली बेड रेस्ट द्यायचं आणि सबलिंगल टॅबलेट द्यायचं सॉर्बेट. ओके. फॉर विच डायलेट द कोरोनरी वेसल्स अँड त्याच्यामुळे ते पेन रिलीफ होणार. देन फोर्थ इज द ॲनाल्जेसिक लाईक द मॉर्फिन क्वांटिटी इज द 10 to 15 mg or pethidine is 75 to 100 mg may be given intramuscularly to relieve pain with combination of promethazine is 20 to 25 mg to avoid the vomiting avoid करण्यासाठी कॉम्बिनेशन जे आहे promethazine 20 to 25 mg वॉमिटिंग अवॉइड करण्यासाठी. देन प्रोव्हाइड द ऑक्सिजन सप्लाय टू द पेशंट. देन कीप द पेशंट अंडर द ऑब्झर्वेशन फॉर डिटेक्शन ऑफ अदर सिम्टम्स. देन सेकंड, कार्डियाक अरेस्ट. Sudden and complete loss of the cardiac functions takes place due to the ventricular then fibrillation within seconds. The patient becomes unconscious, respiration cages and pulse disappears. The condition is fatal unless treated immediately. Then first aid treatment. First aid, shift the patient to the hospital immediately. Give the complete bed rest. Then defibrillator is applied to the heart to restore the sinus rhythm immediately. Fourth is the when defibrillators are not available, then cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay, resuscitation, that is CPR, is performed to maintain the artificial circulation and artificial respiration. That is, CPR can be performed as follows. First is the clearance of the airway. Okay, then artificial breathing, and third is the cardiac massage. Now see the first clearance of the airway. Open and allow clean free air passage to victim. Wrap the clean handkerchief on the first two fingers of hand together and clean victim mouth careful by turning the mouth of the patient to one side. Then now see the in first step. Okay, second is the artificial breathing. After cleaning the ear way, immediately start giving mouth to mouth or mouth to nose respiration. The method of artificial breathing is as shown in figure. Pinch the patient nostrils, take a deep breath. Now see in the second diagram. Okay, stage second, that is artificial breathing. Pinch the patient nostrils, take the deep breath, then tightly seal the patient mouth with your mouth and breathe out the air forcefully into patient lungs. Further move up head and inhale more fresh air and again breathe out the air forcefully into patient lungs. Continue till the patient starts breathing by his own. Then when mouth to mouth respiration is not possible, then mouth to nose respiration is given. Okay, these are the artificial breathing. Then C is the cardiac massage. Okay, stage 3, that is cardiac massage. When the pulse of the patient is not felt, it indicates the non-functioning of the heart and non-circulation of the blood to various parts of the body. In such a situation, immediately cardiac massage is given to the patient. Then it is given by pressing hard with both hands on the patient's chest. Two fingers above the lower end of the sternum. Put left and start pressing with the force of both hands one above the other. Then continue the massage until the help comes. After every 15 compression, mouth to mouth respiration should be given. Okay, like that. These are the cardiopulmonary resuscitation by the single person. Okay, see process in this diagram. Okay, these are the CPR can be performed as follows. Okay, then next is the convulsions. The patient suddenly develops the tightening of the limbs, mouth and body, followed by the jerky movement of the all the limbs. Patient eyeballs roll upward, teeth are clenched, and mouth shows forth corning out. Then at the onset of the convulsion, a scream-like sound coming out of the patient throat. Then sometimes patient passes urine and stool in the clothing during convulsion. Immediately patient lose consciousness and regain it back after the 10 to 30 minutes. Patient is unaware of the happening during the episodes. Then first aid treatment. First make the patient lies down on the floor, then remove any surrounding object which may become injured to the patient. Okay, then put a spoon or such a solid object covered with handkerchief between the jaws of the patient to prevent the tongue bite. Okay, then take a special precautions to avoid bite to your finger while inserting the mouth object, such object. Okay, then do not try to restrict movement of the convulsing limbs. Such attempt will lead to damage of the muscles. Okay, then do not give anything by mouth to the patient. Such attempt may be lead to aspiration of food in the lungs. Then do not try to keep any noxious smelling objects near the nose of the patient in the attempt to terminate the convulsions, like shoes, onion, spirit, etc. Okay, are not helpful in the terminating the convulsions. On the contrary, they may be stimulate the secretion of excess saliva and contribute in the aspiration in the lungs. Then do not allow on, onlookers to gather around. Allow fresh air to flow to the patient. Then immediately shift the patient to doctor. And convulsion is not due to the any superstitious beliefs. Okay. Then when patient becomes conscious immediately after the convulsion, give him milk, sugar, or glucose water. Then last is the burns. Okay, burns are the injuries caused by dry heat like fire, flame, then hot metals, chemicals like strong acids like sulfuric acid or nitric acid, then hydrochloric acid, then electricity or radiations. Then scales are maybe injured caused by moist heat like boiling water, hot air, coal tar, then हॉट वॅक्स एक्सेट्रा. ओके, कशामुळे बर्न होतं तर हीटमध्ये होतं, फ्लेम झाली तर बर्न होतं, हॉट मेटल असेल त्याच्यामध्ये स्किन आपली जर टच झाली तर त्याच्यामुळे सुद्धा बर्न होऊ शकतं. देन केमिकल, हजार्डस केमिकल्स और स्ट्रॉंग केमिकल्स किंवा ॲसिड्स असतील त्याच्यामध्ये पण आपली स्किन बर्न होऊ शकते, लाईक सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड, नायट्रिक ॲसिड, हायड्रोक्लोरिक ॲसिड किंवा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी किंवा रेडिएशन त्याच्यामुळे सुद्धा आपली स्किन बर्न होते. किंवा मॉइस्ट हिज लाईक बॉइलिंग वॉटर, हॉट ऑइल असेल, कोलतार असेल, हॉट वॅक्स असेल त्याच्यामुळे आपली स्किन बर्न होते. देन फर्स्ट एड ट्रीटमेंट काय असेल या बर्नसाठी? कूल द बर्न्स और स्कॅल्डेड एरिया इमिजिएटली बाय पुटिंग प्लेंटी और कोल्ड वॉटर और बाय पुटिंग क्लीन क्लॉथ soaked in cold water. Cooling of the part prevent further damage by removing residual heat from the affected area. ओके, ट्रीटमेंटसाठी काय करायचं? फर्स्ट इमिजिएटली पुट करायचं प्लेंटी और कोल्ड वॉटर बाय पुटिंग क्लीन क्लॉथ, आणि त्याच्या क्लीन क्लॉथने ते वॉटर कोल्ड असेल ते सोक करायचं. ओके, देन रिमूव्ह द क्लोथिंग ऑफ द पेशंट बाय कटिंग इट राऊंड. देन कीप द पेशंट इन लाई डाऊन पोझिशन. देन reassure the patient and do not disturb the blisters. Then cover the burnt area by large dressing or by the clean cloth. Then no antiseptic, lotion, oil, butter, baking soda or ink should be applied on the burn. Then burn area should not be touched unless it is necessary. Okay, these are the then remove immediately from the body things like rings, bangles, belts, boots, then etc. Because when the limbs swell due to the edema, such articles may cause gangrene. Okay, then in the patient is conscious, give sleep of water to him, ships of water to him. Then in case of chemical burns, wash the affected area with a plenty of water until all chemical has been washed away. Then if I are affected by burns, wash them thoroughly and afterwards cover with sterile dressing. Then in case of extensive burn, wrap the victim in the clean cloth and shift him or her immediately to the hospital. Then in case of delay in shifting the patient to the hospital, start IV saline drip or preferably Ringer's lactate solution in order to prevent the patient from shock. A suitable analgesic is also given by the IV routes. Okay, these are the treatment for the burns. Then last is the question. This question, important questions related to this experiment. Okay, after watching this video, you all students are answer uh, able to answer this question. Okay, now I will stop here. Thank you.